Have you ever invested in real estate? So I recently come across that Indians investment in real estate is not in India. It's more in other state. Yes, I think you have guessed it right now. It's Dubai. Indians are morely investing, making their real estate investment in Dubai, and there are three interesting reasons for that. First one, rental income. So when it compared with India, India has like 4 to 8 lakhs of rental income a year, but in Dubai it's like 12 to 14 lakhs. And the second one is if you have a property of the value above 5 crores, Dubai will provide you a golden visa. Yes, you can able to live in a city like fastest growing city for 10 years. And third reason is like if you were to buy a property in Dubai, you just have to give the 4 percentages to a Dubai land owning department, and there is no stamp duty. But in India, you need to give 6%, and that too with stamp duty. I think these three reasons make more Indians to buy land or buy their property in Dubai rather than India. I've recently came across the graph that shows that Indians investment on real estate is not high in Dubai or high in Mumbai or Delhi. It's in Dubai. So, what do you guys think? What is your real estate investment planning? Do you think that investing in Dubai is a good idea? Comment your thoughts.